This is the first of a series of videos called Tackling the Basics. The goal of this video is to practice what we learned so far by looking at common problems one could encounter in the field. These problems would involve manipulating text, and while we will try to solve them using regular expressions, that need not always be the case. If the language provides a function to solve our problem, we will use it. Else, we will attempt using regular expressions. So in this session, I will pose a series of questions and let us try and answer them together. At this point, I encourage you to open a Jupyter Notebook session. Try to answer each question yourself before looking at the solution. And if you think yours is a better solution, do share it with others. Let's begin. So here's a simple line of text. The first thing we wish to know is how many characters are there in the string. While it is tempting to use regular expressions, let us first see if there is an inbuilt function. Yes, there is. I will use the len function, and this gives us 76 characters. But what if we want to ignore spaces? I want the number of characters minus the spaces. I think the quickest way would be to strip the spaces and then find the length. So we will use the replace command first and then the len command. Now how many words does this sentence contain? Let us try this without a regular expression first. I will use the split command to break the sentence. This gives us a list. And then we will find the length of the list. And that gives us 13, but there are duplicates, as is quite evident. How many unique words? A set is a collection of unique items, so let us convert our list to a set and find its length. We get 12. Now let us find the number of words using a regex. This may be more time consuming, but on the positive side, we do not need to remember all these functions. Also, we can manipulate what we consider a word. So you see the full stop here? It is bundled with the word nations. But should we treat it as a separate word? With regular expressions, we get to control these things. Okay, here's another string. Could you split the string into numeric and non-numeric tokens and tell me the count? I will just use two patterns and two find all functions like so. In our next Tackling the Basics video, we will look at using regular expressions with a pandas data frame. If you do not know what a data frame is, or for that matter what pandas is, do not worry, I will cover these basics in that video. Thank you. Just one more thing guys, if you want access to practice exercises and quizzes, click on the description to find a link to my Udemy course on regular expressions. Thanks a lot.